Hi, this is ARUNACHALAM. Today let us analyze the stock Vidhi Speciality Food Ingredients Limited. So the company engaged in the business of manufacturing and trading in synthetic food colors and trading in chemicals. So the company is good profitable company and the stock also shows the same. So the stock is in a good uptrend from 2020 and currently the stock is good for going long for short term because the stock gave a breakout in smaller time frames. So we can enter the stock at current market price and we can expect a good rally in the stock for short term. So let's analyze the stock on monthly basis. So the stock was listed around the price range of 63 and the stock was on the same range for more than 5 years and currently the stock started moving higher. So it's a good company with good business. So we can enter the stock for long term also at current market valuations. So let's move to the weekly chart to analyze further. So this is the weekly chart of Vidhi Speciality Food Ingredients Limited. So let me draw the trend line that governs the stock. So this can be considered as a good trend line for the stock and the stock shows a good repulsion around the price range of 450. So this can be considered as a good support region. So a pin bar at support is very good for short term and the stock may also move higher and higher in long term. So one can enter the stock for short and long term view. So the stock gave a breakout from a channel pattern. So this can be considered as a channel pattern. After a good breakout, it also took a retracement. So it's about to fly. So we can enter the stock at current market price or else one can enter the stock above the price range of 490 for a safe entry. So 490 may act as a good resistance. So breakout of the 490 price range can trigger a superb rally. The stock may easily reach the price range of 600 for short term. So we can enter the stock for short term. So the weekly chart shows the stock is bullish and we can enter the stock for short term. So let me move to the daily chart to analyze further. But before moving to the daily chart, hit subscribe to our channel so you won't miss the ideas published in our channel, and join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. In that group you can ask your doubts regarding any stock. We will be answering it as soon as possible. So now let's move to the daily chart to analyze the feasibility of the target. So the stock looks bullish and the stock gave a good engulfing pattern here. So we can consider this as an engulfing pattern. So the breakout of the price range of 480 or 490 can trigger a further rally. So the stock shows a good bullishness around 430 range. After a good rejection of lower prices, the stock started moving higher. So we can consider this as a bullish sign. And let me draw the trend line in the stock. So this can be considered as a good trend line in the stock. So the stock is moving higher after hitting the trend line. So this can be also taken as a good bullish sign. And breakout of the price range of 500 or 510 can trigger a further rally, and the price range of 490 may also act as a resistance. So breakout of the price range of 490 and 500 can trigger a further rally, and we can expect the price range of 600 as a target. So let me use the Fibonacci extension tool to understand the price action target. So by taking the price range of 430 as a retracement, we can consider the price range of 600 as a target, or else one can also take retracement around the price range of 455. So we can consider the price range of 600 to 630 as a target. So 630 price range can act as a good resistance for the stock. So taking entry above the price range of 500 is also fine, or else one can also take entry above the price range of 510. So one can take entry around the price range of 510 and the price range of 600 to 630 can be taken as a target. So the price range of 630 is around 22% higher side. So we can expect the rally within a matter of a month, or this may also take 3 months. So the stock looks bullish and we can enter the stock at current market price. A current market price entry can yield almost 30% upside, but there is a overhead risk around the price range of 500 to 510. So one who takes current market price entry should face the resistance around the price range of 510. If you know to manage, just enter the stock at current market price or else enter the stock above the price range of 510, and one can expect the price range of 630 as a primary target in the stock. So the stock looks bullish and we can enter the stock at current market price. So let me move to the hourly chart to understand the price action. So the stock gave a breakout. So we can expect a good rally in the stock for short term, and the stock also making higher high formation. So breakout of the price range of 500 to 510 can trigger a superb rally in the stock. So entering at current market price is fine, or else one can also enter the stock above the price range of 510 for short term, and the price range of 600 to 630 can be taken as the target, and one can exit the stock if the stock faces a resistance around the price range of 630, and one can also use 50-day exponential moving average to ride the trend. So the stock is bullish and one can enter the stock for long term also, but before entering for long term, just understand the financials of the company. So that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like button, join us on Telegram, and finally thank you for watching our videos.